like riding around.
Are you excited?
Going for you. Push for you, my baby. Push is 5 o'clock. Like open it. I think 5 o'clock.
Bye-bye.
No, no.
Di ba ito, Mami? Okay.
Mommy. Hello. Thank you for buying my Lego ball. I just
What can you say with your school?
I will come back and sit down.
You come back and sit down.
In glad to the have a tunnel. And
Are you happy?
the grass is lava challenge.